let's make pounded yam. What's going, baby? You guys know that we prepare vegetable soup. So that vegetable soup, we are going to eat it with original and real Nigerian pounded yam. Let's go there, guys. Make I quickly peel them, I beg you. My picky dey hungry. When I don't tell me say, Abi, you too like food though. If I don't like food, what I go love for this world? What I go like? Tell me now. Oginikwa, Ozikwanike, Let me love my food, je. Food is life. Where there is no food, I'm not going. So do not ask me to come and visit you if you know that you are not giving me any food. I love you. Hey, you are the woman of my dream. I'm done peeling my yam. So it's just to roast it, put it inside the pot, then goes to the fire to cook, to boil. That's why I cut it small so that the yam will get cooked immediately. Now I have to take it to the gas cooker. My yam is ready. Okay. Guys, now food na picking one work. So when I say this food, so real original pounded yam, vegetable stew, goat meat, head of fish. I don't use nothing to play with anybody on that body.